In this video, I'm going to compare the costs of YouTube TV and traditional cable, so you can decide which option fits your budget and lifestyle. Let's get started. Both services offer live TV, but their pricing structures and features cater to different needs. YouTube TV costs $72.99 per month and includes over 100 live channels, unlimited cloud DVR storage up to 9 months, and access to on-demand content. It supports up to 3 simultaneous streams, making it ideal for households with multiple viewers. There are no hidden fees, contracts, or equipment costs, and you can stream on modern devices like smart TVs, tablets, and phones. While it's pricier than some budget streaming services, YouTube TV is often more affordable than traditional cable when you consider the lack of additional charges. Traditional cable, on the other hand, varies widely in cost, but typically starts around $50 to $100 per month for basic packages. However, prices can skyrocket with add-ons like premium channels, sports packages, or DVR service. Cable also often requires installation fees, long-term contracts, and rental equipment like set-top boxes. While cable offers a broader channel lineup and local access in some areas, it lacks the flexibility and convenience of streaming services like YouTube TV. For cord cutters who value simplicity, flexibility, and modern features, YouTube TV is a cost-effective alternative. However, if you prioritize hundreds of niche channels and don't mind higher costs, traditional cable might still appeal to you. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more comparisons and tips on streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope this breakdown helps you decide between YouTube TV and traditional cable. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.